I'd like to ask you a little bit about your patient, Kurt Taylor. Did he sustain a brain injury in that car crash in November of 2014?
Yes.
Now, how can you sustain a brain injury in a car wreck?
Well, a number of ways. The most common injury that occurs is by spinning of the brain, and because the brain is located in the skull that's tethered to the body through the neck. When you are in a car accident, you suddenly change directions and therefore accelerate the head separate from the body, and that spinning motion can tear fibers of the brain, axons in the brain, and give you what's called a diffuse axonal injury. And then when it comes to rest, the inside of the brain can stop and hit against the inside of the skull, and there's some particularly vulnerable areas of the brain and sharp areas within the skull where we know the brain's more likely to be injured. So in the frontal lobes, the anterior temporal lobes, and as the brain goes back, which often will, and the occipital lobes in the back.